Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs. It is time for the leftover challenge. Are you up for the challenge? The leftover challenge is just as simple as it sounds. I pick a person who contacts me. I pick a person out of the people who contact me and I ship them all of my leftover bits. I may even ship extra. Before I do that, I record everything that I ship. I then give them time to make an album with all the leftover bits, and then I have them ship it back to me, and I do a flip through of the album, and then I can either ship it back to you or hold a giveaway to give it away to someone. But all of that will be in one video, not the giveaway part if we did the giveaway part, but the I'll have in one video, I'll have all the bits that I sent to them, and then I will have, following that, I will have the flip through of the album that they make. So if you are interested, I have, let's see, here's what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. This is the album, by the way. This is the Enchanted Plant Department. I will link the playlist up here. I haven't done a complete final flip through of this yet. I just finished doing the bits and pieces, adding all the different little touches. I want to show you guys something just really quick because it's so pretty. It turned out so pretty. So the cover is removable, right? Which by itself is amazing. So I finally did something to the front cover of this album, and I wanted to show you. Check it out. Look at how pretty that is. Look it. There are four 3x4 photo mats, and then there's a line of butterflies, and then there's little blings in between each one. Didn't that turn out so pretty? It's like, hello. I don't know, I just love it. I just think it turned out super cute. So when I say finishing touches, I mean things like that. I've added inserts to most things, whatever. I'm getting ready to do a final, alright, I'm getting ready to do a complete flip through of the whole album for you guys. But anyway, so I'm going to be shipping someone. What did I do with it? Hold on. I'm going to be shipping someone. These are bits and pieces that I did not use. It's part of the collection, and I purchased them, but I didn't use them. So I'm going to be sending them that. I have a whole nother 12x12 paper pad that's not even open of this paper collection. I have leftover 6x6 paper pad. I have leftover paper pad that I used. I think there's like maybe one of each sheet left in here. Send that. I'm going to send all the little cut-off pieces, all the little everything that's in my crafty trays. You know, all the different little embellishments. I'm going to send all that. I'll just be sending all kinds of stuff. So the requirements in order to be what's the word I'm trying to say? The requirement in order to be eligible for this leftover challenge is several things. You need to be a subscriber to my channel. You actually need to have the Basically Amazing Foundations and the Basically Amazing Enchanted Decorative Edge add-on. You need to have both of those. And you need to be able to make the album within a reasonable amount of time, and you need to be able to ship it to me. Ship it back to me. And it's up to you what happens after that. But all you need to do to put your name in the hat, so to speak, is you can either leave me a comment below this video. You can message me through Etsy, which is probably the best way because I'm going to have to go through Etsy anyway to make sure that you have the templates. And we'll go from there. So I'll just write everybody's name down and I'll go in order to make sure all the requirements are met. And then I will, in about a week or so, I'll pick a person. And whoever contacts me for this challenge, I will let you know either way if you get picked. I mean, I'll try to. I don't know. I can't remember if I did a good job about that last time or not. I don't know. I can't remember. I think I did, but I'm not sure. I'll keep a list and I'll just go down through that list and order. So the faster you put your name in the hat, the top, you know, the higher on the list you are. But don't let that stop you from contacting me either through Etsy or through the comments below. Even if it's been a month from now, you never know. I mean, I may not get any responses at all. So I might still be looking for someone to do the leftover challenge. So I have several leftover challenge videos. I will link that. I should probably, what should I do? I'll link them in the cards probably, or in the description box below. If you want to check it out before you like put your name in the hat, you can see what is, you know, what's required, I guess. You can see what other people have done. So this is the third time that I've done the leftover challenge. Everybody seems to really enjoy it. I like to see what other people's work is, you know, how other people use my templates and use the same paper collection. It doesn't have to be just like this either. It doesn't have to look just like this. It doesn't have to be this size. But you do have to use the paper collection, and you can add to it. You do have to use the Basically Amazing Foundations and the Basically Amazing Decorative Edge, Enchanted Decorative Edge add-on. So those are really just the requirements, and or the minimum that you have to do for your album, I mean. So yeah, so let me know, you guys. Are you up for the challenge? I hope someone is. I've had some really talented ladies so far. So be sure to contact me if you're interested. All right, thanks for joining me today, you guys. I will see you guys later.